In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Discord in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Discord. We'll be having the official link. Click that. And here we will be having two options. One is download for Windows, or we can use it in our browser. Just click on this download and the download will be getting started. It is around 117 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it. So we'll be getting downloading update. Just be patient for a while. So once it has been installed, you will be automatically getting the Discord interface opened. You also will be having a desktop shortcut. Just use your email or phone number and log in and use it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.